Now once you've double checked to make sure that the A is in the keyframe and you've tested out your movie to make sure that it's actually stopping in the right place and that your button is showing the over states, we are going to make the button do something. So we actually wanted this button to, when clicked, go to our next scene. Okay, we wanted it to go to scene 2 here. All right, and the scene 2 is where our female character turns into a heart. So we'll go back to scene 1. And what we need to do now is apply an action to this button because we want the button to, when clicked, go to and play another scene. So you click on the button, make sure that the button is selected, and then control click the button so that, again, the contextual menu comes up and you're going to choose Actions. So here's my Actions panel. Again, if your Script Assist is not available, just click on Script Assist before you do anything else. The action will be in the same place it was before, so we go to Global Functions, Timeline Control. And this time, instead of hitting Stop, we are going to double-click on Go To because we want it to go to another scene. So we're going to double-click Go To. And you'll notice the action script is written here for us. But right now, we're just telling it to go to and play this current scene. So we want to change that. We want to change it to our next scene, which is scene 2. So we select scene 2, and you'll notice that action script changes. So it says go to and play scene 2. And that 1 just signifies frame 1. So you're starting it in the beginning. Once you have completed the action, you just simply close out of it, and then we'll test our movie. Okay, so we roll over, that works good. When I click on that, it goes to my next scene. Okay, and then it just goes and replays this. So what you're going to do is just simply pause, and we want you to add an action to this button, telling it to go to and play the very next scene. Once you've tested out your movie and made sure that your button was working correctly, what you're going to do then is add another button to scene 2, add your stop action, and then you'll end up adding another button to scene 3 that will replay the whole movie. Don't forget again to add the stop action. So every scene, at the conclusion of the scene, you should have a button and the stop action at the very topmost layer so that the movie actually stops, the scene stops at that point and allows us to click on your button. If you have any questions or you think you made a mistake along the way or feel like you missed something, just simply rewind the tutorial back to the position that you'd like to review and watch it again. That's it for this tutorial, and I wish you the best of luck in creating your buttons for your first Flash movie.